get in touch with anyone, either himself, his family, or the Olangis family, because of this great scandal. Je suis en train de la demander parce que nous tous, nous savons déjà l'histoire, parce qu'on est juste arrivé le jour Kevin est parti au Congo, il s'est marié, blablabla, bla, bla, elle ne savait pas, elle a appris ça. Mais ma question maintenant ici, c'est que de savoir, après tout ce qui s'est passé, parce que on avait vu les Sego quand même, elle avait déjà fait d'autres interviews, d'autres vidéos. Est-ce que Kevin l'a contacté? Est-ce que la famille Olangi l'a contacté ou sa belle famille? So did anyone get in touch whatsoever after this?
So I'll just take it a step back. So he went to Congo fine. We were talking. We were fine. We were just talking as husband and wife. Happy. I love you, baby. I miss you. And then I learned that, he got married. So I was like, no, it can't be. People said, no, go on social media, go on the Olangi Ministries channel and check it. And I check it out, and I didn't ask him right away. I started finding out, who can I ask, who can I discuss this matter with, and he also didn't tell me. So I started by talking to somebody, got me Sophie Olangi's number. They said she is Aska's sister. So I asked her, do you know, I was just asking her what happened, how did this marriage happen, I told her, we spoke over the phone. I told her that my name is Leseho. I'm Kevin's wife. I'm in our house. I'm in South Africa. We are married. And she told me that Kevin's family went to their family, to the Olangis family, saying that, yes, Kevin has a 6-year-old child, but he's never been married. He just has a baby mama in South Africa, but he's never been married in his life. I said, no, that's not true. And I showed her the proof. I sent her messages. I sent her pictures of me and Kevin getting married, and she said, oh, okay, no, we'll talk about this, but please don't go to social media. It will ruin Aska's brand, because she's a celebrity, she's a gospel artist. Don't go to social media. I'll find out what happened and I'll come back to you. That's what Sophie Olangi said. And then from there,
okay, hold on. Was that a phone call, or did you send me the message from you and Sophie Olangi?
No, I send you the WhatsApp that I had with her. But before the WhatsApp, I spoke to her over the phone. You can check the WhatsApps that I sent to her and the message that, what she said to me. She said, she was telling me that,
Is that on the PDF or was that separate?
Check on the, no, not on the PDF. It's on the, check on the PDF. I think it's on the PDF, yeah.
Okay.
If you want to display it, yeah. But yeah, I spoke to her, and I also found Aska's number. I also asked her, I said, hey, congratulations. I hear you got married, but do you know that Kevin is married? And I sent her my wedding pictures with Kevin. She looked at them, and she blocked my number. Even Sophie Olangi, at some point, she blocked my number. So I said, okay, fine. These people, they're not listening to me. And I started now finding a way, like, how can I get help, stuff like that. And yeah, Sophie Olangi never came back to me. Aska never came back to me. And now it was me and Kevin. Now Kevin, he was getting angry at me that, why did you contact Sophie Olangi? I'm like, are you crazy? Why are you asking me? Why did I contact them? What did you do? Why did you do that?
Hold on. Guys, I don't know, people online, can you see the screen that I'm sharing? What can you see on your screen? Because I'm trying to share now some of the conversation on the PDF. Let me just check here. Qu'est-ce que vous êtes en train de voir dans l'écran? Est-ce que vous êtes en train de voir les conversations ou vous êtes juste en train de voir la photo de Aska et les Sego? Je suis en train d'essayer de partager mon écran. Okay, you can't see it. Bear with me a second, please. I'm just trying to share my screen. Right. Attendez, soyez un peu patient. C'est quelle application? Voilà. Guys, can you see this? Est-ce que vous pouvez voir ça? Can you
I
see?
can see it, yeah, but it's very tiny. But
Can you
I don't
see
know if
the
it's the right screen here. Let me just zoom in.
I'm just waiting.
No, this is not. Oh, this is the one from Kevin. It's not the one that I sent to. But I can see. Just browse. Just go down. Just check. Just go through the document here.
Okay, people can't see anything. They can't. You can see it, but people on the live.
Yeah.
Okay, people on the live can't see it. Right. Okay, I need to add this on the stream. Right. Hold on. Just bear with me. Guys, if you can't see this, I'm gonna have this for you later. Okay, because I don't want, there might be a problem there. Okay, they can't see. Anyway, there's a lot of PDF, your conversation and Kevin. Can you just tell us, then you spoke to Sophie, right? I'm just going to stop sharing this because people can't see basically. You spoke to Sophie, right? And then she told you don't go private or don't go live because they will damage the brand, which is Lesego's brand.
Okay. No, which is Aska's brand.
Donc là, elle a parlé à Sophie. Je ne sais pas si vous connaissez Sophie, en tout cas, c'est ma première fois d'écouter le nom. Elle a parlé à Sophie, la relation de Sophie. Je suis en train de prendre tous ces trucs en photo pour vous mettre. En photo, c'est mieux. PDF, ça ne montrait pas. Et maintenant, Sophie qui dit à Lesego, écoute, la famille de Kevin était venue dans ma famille pour dire que Kevin a juste eu un enfant avec une sud-africaine, mais ils n'étaient pas mariés du tout. Comme ça, comme ils ne sont pas mariés, il peut se marier avec votre fille. C'est ça que Sophie avait dit à Lesego. Et puis Lesego qui dit à Sophie, mais ce n'est pas vrai, nous sommes bel et bien mariés. Lesego envoie maintenant les photos des mariages. Lorsqu'elle a envoyé photo mariage, la fille qui dit ne part pas aux réseaux sociaux, Sophie, je pense Sophie c'est la grande sœur de Lesego, ne part pas aux réseaux, la grande sœur de Aska, ne part pas aux réseaux sociaux parce que ça va vraiment causer beaucoup de damage, ça va abîmer la réputation de Axa parce que c'est une chanteuse, c'est une maman pasteur et tout, elle a un grand nom, elle a un brand, donc ne fais pas ça. Et après ça, Sophie n'a jamais écrit ou contacté Lesego. Après Lesego qui part, prend les numéros de Axa, elle écrit à Axa, l'homme que tu as épousé, c'est mon mari. Regarde ceci, c'est là. Aska qui lit les messages et après, elle bloque Lesego. So she read the messages and then decided to block you.
Yes, that's what happened there. And then I just started now posting small things online. Like there was actually something that I posted. It was like DVDs. So I thought those DVDs, they came from Aska because I know that Kevin, he once came home with the DVDs and I didn't understand where he got the DVDs from. So I posted on Aska's, I think it was page. And Kevin, now he got upset and then he called, because now I was not talking to him. I had a lawyer now who was like now talking to Kevin on my behalf. And then Kevin said to my lawyer that my lawyer must ask me to stop sharing stuff on social media. I just shared you a voice note now, Adrienne, on your phone. I don't know if you can play that voice note. Yeah.
Donc, après avoir bloqué les Sego, maintenant, les Sego a pris les DVD que son mari avait ramenés à la maison, les vidéos. Elle commençait maintenant à partager des trucs sur les réseaux sociaux. Lorsque elle partage aux réseaux sociaux, c'est maintenant, elle a trouvé un avocat parce qu'elle ne savait quoi faire. Elle a trouvé un avocat. Je veux aussi clarifier pour les gens qui disaient qu'elle avait un avocat, c'est qu'ils avaient des problèmes. Elle a juste trouvé l'avocat. Lorsque tout s'est passé, elle ne savait quoi faire. Ça l'a bloqué. La grande sœur Sophie l'a aussi bloqué. Elle ne répondait pas. Et puis avec son mari, ça n'allait pas et tout et tout. Après, elle a trouvé un avocat. Voilà. Maintenant, Kevin qui dit, il faut dire à les Sego de stopper, partager les trucs aux réseaux sociaux. Parce que pour eux, vraiment, c'est d'abord protéger le nom et protéger la réputation avant tout. So yeah, let me play this voice that you just sent me.
Yeah, it's the last one, yeah.
Yeah, écoutez. Un instant.
It's been a few days that, not even a few days, yesterday, sorry. I asked you if you spoke to Lesero regarding putting things on social media. She carried on doing that. I asked nicely, she carried on doing that. I don't want to create an uncomfortable vibe or situation. You know me, I'm not that kind of person. And I don't want to make our life difficult because of what she's doing. Please advise her again. I know there are people behind her who are pushing her to do that, but those people, they won't be there when the consequences will come. She will be alone. Please advise her. She did that again today, and I'm very disappointed on that. Thank you.
Le voice note que vous venez d'écouter. Oh, Kevin! Kevin est en train d'intimider maintenant l'avocat des Sego. Dis à les Sego de stopper mettre des trucs online, ne pas parler de moi, la relation et tout ce qui se passe dans sa vie. Sinon, si elle continue de faire ça, la vie va devenir chiant. Je ne suis pas le genre de personne à faire ça, mais si elle me pousse, je vais la faire chier quand même. Et aussi, je sais qu'il y a les gens derrière elle. Ah, Kevin! How can you say there's people behind? Lorsque toi, tu es parti te marier, nous, on n'était pas là. Kevin qui dit à l'avocat, je sais qu'il y a les gens qui sont derrière elle qui la poussent à faire ça. Mais lorsqu'il y aura des conséquences, ces gens ne seront pas là. So, you got this voice note, but you kept on coming online.
Yes, I went big online the next day. That is the day when I had a video with Mamu. So Mamu came to my house and we took a video in our house. And yeah, I blocked Kevin. I didn't want to hear from him. I said to my lawyer that my lawyer must handle this matter. And then I sent a letter. We sat together with the lawyer to send a letter to Kevin, telling him exactly what he needs to do. I said to him that he needs to divorce me properly because I've never seen divorce papers. So legally, he's still my husband. He needs to divorce me properly. He needs to pay his debts here in South Africa. His car got repossessed. You know, he owed the bank about a whole lot of money, 145,000. You can see the screenshot there, Adrienne. And he must also pay everything that he owes here in South Africa. And he must give me full parental rights to Desi. He must stay the hell away from me. That's what I said. He never came back to us. He just ignored my lawyer, and my lawyer kept on trying to get his attention. And Kevin would say, "Oh, I'm traveling. I think it's the time when he was traveling to Turkey, because my lawyer said they spoke over the phone, and Kevin says, "Oh no, it's fine. I'll pay my debts." And it's fine. She can have the house because we have a joint house here in Johannesburg. His name is also on his house. Now I'm stuck with the house. I cannot sell the house. I cannot do anything with the house because I need his consent. The bank says he must sign off his share to me, but he won't do it. I want to move on, you know. He must just release me and Dasi so we can have our lives because he's having his life there. So he must divorce me properly, legally. He can see how he can do it from wherever he is, and he must pay all the debts that he has here in South Africa. Every single debt that he has, he must pay the things that we had jointly. We had levies, we owe the municipality. He just left me, you know, with those debts, and he must just forget about his daughter. He must forget about Desi, really, because I will never.
Yeah, we'll get to that. Et après, lorsque Kevin l'a interdit, après le voice note de ne plus passer, et c'est en ce moment-là qu'elle a fait sa première vidéo. Je suis sûre que vous tous, vous avez vu la première vidéo avec Mamou. Et elle est partie maintenant. Avant, elle partageait seulement, mais lorsqu'elle a fait cette vidéo, ça a explosé. Et puis, Kevin a contacté l'avocat pour dire que oui, moi, je suis en train de partir à Turquie et la maison, elle peut faire ce qu'elle veut, mais elle est en train de réclamer que Kevin puisse divorcer, qu'il puisse divorcer normalement. Prenez les screenshots, je vais mettre ça sur mon Instagram Adrienne Première Dame. Et je tiens à vous signaler à la fin de cette vidéo, tellement il y a beaucoup de trucs, les gens qui aiment faire des analyses, les gens qui aiment parler aussi sur cette affaire, vous allez voir tout. Je vais mettre ça disponible. Je vais vous donner mon numéro WhatsApp. Vous allez me contacter. Je vais vous envoyer ça. Aussi, vous allez écouter des longs voicemails chez Pauline. Tata va aussi vous faire une vidéo live parce que je ne peux pas partager tout. Il y en a quand même des trop. So, elle dit que Kevin doit justement prendre ses responsabilités et tout. I know you already said about him divorcing you, him, you know, doing all of that. But there's a very important letter here that you wanted us to share. Il y a une lettre très importante qu'elle m'a envoyée, la lettre légale. Vous n'avez même pas encore vu cette lettre. Hein? Je vais balancer cette lettre. Soyez prêts, comme ça vous allez prendre les écrans. Elle a envoyé cette lettre à Aska Olangi. Parce que moi, je lui ai demandé, maintenant, après tout ça, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Vous allez maintenant lire les contenus de la lettre et pourquoi Aska Olangi ne retourne plus aux réseaux sociaux depuis elle est partie parce que, vous savez, elle aime les réseaux. C'est les contenus de la lettre. Prenez ça, zoomez ça, comme ça, vous allez comprendre. Can you now tell us a bit more about this letter and everything, and then what's happening?
You can read the letter out. So after I realized that I'm not getting any feedback from Kevin through my lawyer, then I decided that why not write to Aska? It's not like she can't see what's happening. Even if, you know, maybe she can say, oh, well, I didn't know that Kevin was married. Now she knows. What is she doing about it? What is she doing? Why she's quiet? Why she's not advising her husband to do things properly? He must wrap up things properly with me. He just cannot. I need closure. You just cannot leave and not, you know, finish what you've started this side. So I said, you know what, Aska, make sure that, you know, Kevin, he finishes what he started with me. He must divorce me. You can read the letter there, Adrian. You can read it, put it in French so that people understand what's on the